In this video tutorial, we'll talk about the way the software takes into account the performance of leading and lagging indicators when calculating the performance of a goal. Let's start with a quick explanation of the difference between the leading and lagging indicators. To illustrate this difference, I will use the improve customer service as an example. What are the success factors of better customer service? One of them is quick response time. We have noted that as an initiative of the success type here, success factor type. How can we actually say that customer service became better? What are the expected outcomes? Well, there are many ways to estimate this. In general, we expect to see happier customers, and we have mapped this as a expected outcome for this goal. Now, how can we quantify the success factor? We can measure average response time. That's our leading indicator in the context of this goal. We can switch to the Context tab on the KPIs tab to see that it is configured as leading indicator. How can we quantify the expected results? We can measure the first contact resolution rate to estimate how effective our team is in solving problems. And we can also check the customer satisfaction. These will be our lagging indicators. Again, we can switch to the Context tab to see that these indicators are configured as lagging ones. What is the performance of the goal improve customer service? When asking this question, we need to clarify what kind of performance we're talking about. Because we actually deal with two types of performance. The performance related to the actions and efforts of our team, in this example, trying to respond faster, and the performance related to outcomes, effective problem solving and customer satisfaction. That's exactly what we see in the software. The goal on the map includes two sections. The green section is for the leading performance. The gray section is for the lagging performance. How is the lagging performance calculated? To answer this question, I need to switch to the KPIs tab and then switch to the Performance tab. I can now click on the link below this field. As you can see, it shows weighted average there. It means that the lagging performance of the goal is calculated as an average of the performance of lagging indicators, taking into account the weight of those indicators. As a result, we have this 77.2% performance. We have a separate video where we discuss the use of weight for indicators in BSC Design Online. As for the leading indicator, leading performance, we have just one leading indicator. So leading performance of the goal is equal to the performance of this leading indicator. Now let's imagine a case when this improve customer service goal is contributing to the financial goal of, for example, increased profits. In the software, we can link two goals, and the tool we'll ask if we want to link the login part of one goal to the leading part of another goal. In this case, the connection makes perfect sense, as effective customer service is a leading factor of better financial performance. I agree with the link, and the login performance of the goal now becomes a leading indicator for the increased profits goal. What about leading performance of the improved customer service goal? Why does not it contribute to the financial performance? Actually, it contributes to the financial performance via the login part of the improved customer service goal. In this case, faster reaction to the user's questions, the success factors that we are talking about, is supposed to lead to a higher customer satisfaction, the expected outcome, that is connected to the financial performance. As you can see, for effective strategy execution, it's a good idea to have both leading and login indicators on your scorecard. Leading indicators will quantify the efforts of your team in achieving certain goals, and login indicators will show if the expected results were achieved as a result of those efforts. That's how leading and lagging indicators work in BSC Designer. For more information, we have added some links to the articles where we explain other nuances about calculating scorecard.